Damn the man. That man could bring a smile to your face over a 7-second intro with the hitman on the board. Skip Church was the name he used out of the air. Chuck Roast.
Chuck Roast?
He was my PD.
Yeah, first wife shot him while he was asleep.
Doris?
Sleeping.
Doris?
I think.
Shotgun Time Kelly. And that man has 6 Daytime Emmy Awards from local programming in San Diego. All kids shows. Because that man has a heart and a big hat. But he wants to raise those kids because the parents, sometimes sadly, aren't around to do it themselves. Formerly known as Captain Y from number 1 Y100, Mark Lipoff. And if you're referring to Coach Tom on The Breakfast Club, Power 99 WAPW Atlanta, that guy is hot. He is hot as a firecracker, man.